Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how to set up your Canon Copier on a new network. So this would be handy for people who get new internet service, maybe got a new router or you move your device to a different location and it has new network settings that need to be input into the machine. So to start, we're going to hit the settings registration button. It's a little star. It should be on the panel on the right, or if you have a touchscreen only, it'll be on the main screen. And then once we hit that, we're going to go ahead and log in as administrator to the copier. Depending on your model, it'll look a little different. Ours already has administrator listed. You may have a manager ID and a PIN number. If it's an ID and PIN, the default would be 7654321 for both of those. Sometimes the password can be different. It can be 1234567. If the username is administrator, then password should be 7654321 or left blank. Once you've got your password, go ahead and click Login here. And then we're going to go to Device Settings, then Preferences, then Network, then TCP/IP Settings, then IPv4 Settings. And then we're going to come down to the IP address settings. Then you're going to want to make sure that DHCP and Auto IP are turned on. Hit OK. Then close out. On the right-hand side of the machine for most models is the power switch. So go ahead and power down the machine, and then power back up after about 30 seconds. When it comes back up, you're going to hit the 1, 2, 3 or the check counter button, that's this button here, and your new IP address will be listed here. And then that'll be what you set up your print driver with. Now to set this IP address as static so that if you get a power outage or if it reboots that this IP address doesn't change, for that we're going to need to go back into the settings. And since you rebooted, you'll need to log back in as administrator. Go back into device settings, preferences, then network, TCP/IP settings, IPv4, and then IP address settings. And then you're going to uncheck DHCP and Auto IP. And this should auto-populate with the information that it pulled from the network. If it doesn't, you can manually type in this information. You can type in the IP address that you found earlier, and then the subnet mask and gateway you can obtain by going to your computer, opening the command prompt and typing in ipconfig, with all one word. And that will give you both of those pieces of information. You can also reach out to your IT department. They can assist you with that as well. So once you have that information put in, go ahead and hit OK, and now your copier is set up on your new network and using a static IP address so that if it does reboot or gets powered off, that IP address won't change. All right, thank you so much. Have a good one.